Okay, I thought it would be interesting to add one more video to this series, and it has to do with AM broadcast band and the receiver. There is a way to detect a lot of electromagnetic energy being emitted by appliances, computers, and other things because of the low frequency and the nature of amplitude modulation. So in the next series, I'm going to do a lot of science and engineering, and we'll cover why these factors are important to you and how they come about. So let me show you with this little HX108 some things. You remember in one of the videos I discovered that my lab power supply was generating noise. So here it is. It's a Gopher, forgot the CPS 3205, whatever. I don't have my glasses on, sorry. Okay, and it's capable of generating 0 to 32 volts up to 5 amps, which means 160 watts of power. All right, now watch this. It's off. I'm going to set the radio on top of it, and I'm going to turn it on. Okay. Now I'm going to turn it off. Watch the light. As long as it's got some energy inside, still makes noise. All right. Now, something else. I've got a computer on the desk here. Let's see if I can get to it. Oops, the light there is kind of blinding. This is a new microphone I got for the next series, but let me take the radio and put it next to the computer. Oh, it's not. Okay. See if I don't know if you can hear it. It's coming on and off because of what the computer's doing. Now, I've got this microphone. It's a USB microphone. I got it to generate quality audio when I'm doing the series. That's with it off. That's with it on. If I unmute it, doesn't change anything. Okay, and then I've got a monitor. Whoa, that light is bright. Okay, I've got a monitor. Let me put that up next to the monitor and turn the monitor on. Monitor off, monitor on. So I told you that in several videos that I had a lot of noise in the lab, and that's why, because anytime you have a lot of electronic devices, you can expect a lot of noise. This receiver is very, very sensitive.
Who we pay for telephone.
This is a station that's in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So, AM broadcast band gives you exceptional distances at night, especially during the winter time. I showed you we can use this thing to detect all kinds of noises, and when you build one of these, or if you have an AM radio, turn it on and go around the house and see what's generating a lot of noise. But when I was teaching electrical engineering at Texas A&M University in the 70s, up until 1980, in the department we had a project in which students were building AM radios up in the 100, 200 megahertz range, and used with a directional antenna. They were flying 172 along power lines and detecting power poles that had insulators arcing at the 300,000, 700,000 volt level and wasting a lot of electricity. Also, in the demo of the monitor and the power supply and everything, the Federal Communications Commission regulates electronic devices that may generate radio frequency interference, but there's a lot of stuff being built and imported that doesn't meet the requirements, but that's another story. All right, so I'm going to come back tomorrow and we'll start the series on doing the science. I want to thank a couple of individuals that were following this series. They have sent me 2 more of these that we'll use in the next series. One of them I already got, but the other one won't get here for a week or 2, but I'm going to spend the next probably 2 weeks covering basic electronics that will be used to analyze the circuits. So if you have no background in electronics, this is a good chance to learn it. If you already know everything, then you can just skip it. But I need to get everybody on the same page, literally. So tomorrow I'll tell you what the plan is, and we'll go from there. Thank you for your time.